we're going to be talking about key coders. These are the famous coders. Oh,
Yeah.
my favorite one is this one.
Okay. So computing has changed a lot since the first computers were invented, and programmers across the globe are working on new technology all the time. Some people create things that change our world. How many of these famous coders do you know about? Do you know about any one of them?
I know that he created Google.
Okay, we're gonna
No,
talk about.
that's he created Google.
No, he's right.
What?
These two created Google. Okay, Tim Berners-Lee. He was English computer programmer Tim. He created the World Wide Web in 1989. The World Wide Web links internet web pages together and is also used by millions of people across the globe. Margaret Hamilton. She was
That's
an
my Margaret Hamilton is my favorite one.
Okay, American computer programmer Margaret Hamilton worked for the U.S. Space Agency, NASA. She was responsible for developing the onboard flight software that landed the first people on the moon in 1969. Now, these were also very famous. Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. So, founders of technology company Apple. Americans Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak built the first, one of the earliest home computers in 1976. Now the Apple brand is one of the most successful in the world.
Did they make the Apple Watch in
Apple Watch, Apple MacBook, iPhones, iPads, all of them.
even Apple Watch?
They made the company, and then the company made all of those things. Okay, Grace Hopper. So, a rear admiral in the U.S. Navy as well as computer scientist, Grace Hopper created the world's first computer compiler, a program that
That's my
converts
second favorite.
ordinary language into code that a computer can understand. Okay, this one. Ibrahim, watch this. Mark Zuckerberg. University student Mark Zuckerberg became one of the youngest billionaires in the world when he created social media website Facebook in 2004. The site had 1 million users within 10 months. Bill Gates.
Bill Gates.
American Bill Gates co-founder co-founded Microsoft,
A
a computer
computer.
software company in 1975. 10 years later, Microsoft created Windows,
Now
the
almost
most
to
widely used operating system in the world. Okay, now the Google one. Do you want to know about that? Listen. Okay, Sergey Brin and Larry Page.
Who's Sergey Brin and who's...
I think he's Sergey Brin and this one is Larry Page.
Can you check?
Okay, we'll check. Google, the world's most popular search engine, was created by Sergey Brin and Larry Page in 1998. Today, around 80 to 85% of all internet queries are typed into Google's search engine. That's all we wanted to cover. Thanks for watching.